Two powerhouses in payroll and HR, one trusted legacy, one agile newcomer. Which platform truly works best for your team? On the left, Paychex, the all-in-one payroll and HR solution with decades of experience. And on the right, Justworks, designed for modern, growing teams who want powerful PEO support. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into the real differences. We'll let each category earn its points, so by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Here's how we're going to compare these two heavyweights. First up, pricing. And if you've ever tried to decipher a SaaS price page, you know it can get wild. Next, mobile experience. Because honestly, who doesn't want payroll in their pocket these days? Then we'll look at features and integrations, ease of use, customer support, reputation and ratings, and finally, who each is actually best for. So yeah, if you want all the angles, this mind map has it covered. Okay, starting with pricing. Everyone's favorite, right? So Paychex kind of keeps things mysterious with their custom quotes. If you've got a unique setup, maybe that's cool. But honestly, it can get kind of pricey, especially if you're a small team and there's no easy sticker price to budget for. On the other side, Justworks goes for transparency. Their Plus plan is super simple, $99 per user a month, out in the open, no guessing games. But heads up, their premium plans are obviously steeper, and oddly enough, there's no public info about their basic plan. Still, if I'm picking a winner for pricing, Justworks makes life easier here. Next, mobile experience. If you're big on iPhone, Paychex is crushing it. Like 4.8 stars out of 5 with over 400,000 reviews on iOS. That's not just good, that's your mom's accounting friend recommends it good. Android though? Meh, ratings are noticeably lower. Justworks? Their apps are solid on both iOS and Android, and it's easy to use, but you know, they're newer to the game and don't have that massive pool of users yet. So for now, Paychex takes the win for mobile, just for sheer numbers and iOS vibes. Features and integrations. This is where stuff gets fun, or honestly, kind of complicated. Paychex does the whole advanced payroll, HR, tons of integrations, and even all those nitty-gritty extras like new hire reporting, background checks, and actual check printing. Like, yes, some people still print actual checks. But I gotta point out, there's no e-signature for those key onboarding forms and no expense reimbursement tool. Now, Justworks brings the full PEO experience. Bundled payroll, HR, compliance, plus they've got expense reimbursement and e-signatures nailed. They even let you pay international contractors, which, seriously, game changer for remote teams. But they don't offer background checks, check printing, or a public API, which is a bit odd. Overall, Paychex goes deeper on features, so they win this round. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Paychex started way back in 1971? Justworks showed up in 2012. That's like more than 40 years apart. The difference is wild. If you're wondering why Paychex feels old school and Justworks feels shiny, well, now you know. Ease of use. All right, let's talk vibes. Paychex. It's comprehensive, but yeah, there's this legacy interface thing going on. Sometimes it just feels old school. And those different modules don't always hook up as smoothly as you'd hope. Justworks? Modern, crisp, super intuitive. People literally call it amazingly simple. And setting it up is fast. The trade-off is there aren't as many knobs to turn for the edge case power users. If you want something that just works out of the box, Justworks is the clear winner here. Customer support. Ugh, this is a big one for me. Paychex has been around forever, and yeah, they've got a solid knowledge base. But no 24/7 live support on their main plans, which can be a pain if your payroll freaks out at midnight, you know? Justworks, though, they're available all day, every day. Like actual humans to help you. And people rave about how quick and friendly their support team is. Even though their team's smaller and not huge enterprise seasoned, Justworks just does support better. Reputation and user ratings. This part surprised me. Paychex? Massive company. Tons of users. Even a few awards. But when you look at Trustpilot, wow, just 1.2 out of 5. And that's from hundreds of actual reviewers. Ouch. Justworks has fewer total reviews, but they're way more positive. Like 4.3 out of 5 on Trustpilot. And if you poke around G2 or GetApp, it's pretty much the same story. Users love how they listen and actually help. So yeah, Justworks takes this one pretty easily. Who are they best for? Paychex is honestly built for mid-size, large, and even massive companies. They can customize everything, and if you've got crazy HR needs, they've got your back. But it's kinda overkill for tiny teams and fresh startups, no lie. Justworks nails it for small and mid-sized businesses, especially if time and simplicity are your thing. Their bundled, modern approach is a lifesaver for small HR teams. But if you're huge, like thousands of employees, Paychex is still gonna win. So I gotta call this one a tie. Each platform totally has its crowd. Let's take a step back and look at the big picture. If you map out all of these categories, pricing, mobile, features, ease, support, reputation, who it's best for, you'll immediately spot where Justworks really shines. That modern simplicity, 24/7 help, user love. Paychex's strengths are all about depth and scale. So, looking at the full spread here, if you're after easy setup, awesome support, and a tool that just doesn't make HR a headache, Justworks is honestly the champ. If you need more power, enterprise muscle, and every obscure payroll feature, Paychex is your guy. But for most small to mid-sized teams in 2025, Justworks definitely wins. Enjoyed this deep dive into all the stuff you actually care about? Hit follow so you never miss out on the latest, most honest software face-offs.